Good morning, children.
Good morning, Mama. Good morning.
Are you ready for your first day of school?
Yes, Papa. I am very excited. I want to meet new friends.
Your uniforms look wonderful.
Thank you, Mama.
Remember to listen carefully to your teachers.
I will, Papa. I cannot wait to see my school. Today is a very special day.
Let's go. It is time for school.
Shahzain, look at this school. Wow, Rameen, it is so big.
Do you like your new school?
Yes, Mama, it looks amazing.
This is your new school. I hope you have a wonderful first day.
Shahzain, look at that beautiful building. Wow, Rameen, it looks like a palace. Rameen, Shahzain. Zian, you are here too. Good morning, Zian. Good morning, Rameen and Shahzain. I am happy we are in the same school. We are happy to see you too, Zian.
Now we can go to school together.
Yes, I think today will be a wonderful day. Look, it's Princess Tuba. Wow, Princess Tuba is here. Good morning, Princess Tuba. Good morning, children. Today is your first day of school.
Every great learner starts with a small step. Be kind, be brave, and enjoy learning. We will, Princess Tuba. Wonderful. Now go and make this a great day.
Wow, this school is even bigger inside.
Look at those colorful lockers, Rameen.
And look at that fountain. It is beautiful.
Welcome, students. We are happy to have you here.
Thank you. We are to be a great day.
Good morning, students.
Good morning, teacher.
Welcome, students. We are happy to have you here. Let's introduce ourselves. Hello, everyone. My name is Rameen. Welcome, Rameen. Hello, my name is Shahzain. Welcome, Shahzain. Welcome, Zian. We are happy to have you in our class today. Good job, students. Please look at the board.
Okay, teacher.
Listen carefully.
We are listening.
Repeat after me.
Hello.
Very good. What is your name?
My name is Rameen.
Very good, Rameen. How old are you, Shahzain?
I am 6 years old.
What is your favorite color, Zian?
My favorite color is blue.
Wonderful, Zian.
My favorite color is pink.
Lovely, Rameen. Good work, students. It is break time now.
Yay, break time. I want to see the playground.
Me too. Walk carefully and have fun.
Thank you, teacher. Wow, look at that playground.
It is huge. There are so many fun things to do.
Let's explore together.
Yes. Come on, Zian.
Catch the ball, Zian. I got it.
Here you go, Rameen.
I caught it. Can I play course, Emma? This is fun.
Let's keep playing. Rameen, catch.
I got it.
Throw it to me.
Here you go. That was fun. My turn now. Look at me. Let's do it again.
This is so much fun.
I love the swings. Me too.
Let's swing higher.
My sandwich is very tasty. I like my lunch too.
My juice is delicious.
Let's eat together.
The bell is ringing.
Time to go back to class.
Let's hurry.
Come on, friends.
Good afternoon, students.
Good afternoon, Miss Emily.
Today we will learn math.
Yay!
Rameen, what is 2 plus 1?
It is 3.
Very good, Rameen.
Yay! Yay!
Shahzain, what is 3 plus 2?
It is 5.
Excellent. Zian, what is 4 plus 1?
It is 5.
Shahzain, what is 3 plus 2? It is 5. Excellent! Zion, what is 4 plus 1? It is 5. Great job today, students.
I had a wonderful day.
I learned math today.
I love my new school.
Wonderful! A star for your great work. Thank you, Miss Emily.
Today was amazing.
I made new friends. I can't wait for tomorrow.
See you again, school! Look, it's Princess Tuba. Princess Tuba is here. Hello, Princess Tuba.
Hello, my friends. I'm so happy to see you all. These candies are for you, my friends.
Thank you, Princess Tuba. We love your magic.
Keep learning, keep dreaming, and be kind.
Bye, Princess Tuba.
See you again soon.
Goodbye, Princess Tuba. We will keep learning. See you again soon. Keep dreaming, keep learning, and let your light shine.